Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Akal Academy Sangha. I'm Chinder Kaur. Today we will discuss about one poem, How They Sleep. So first of all, I want to ask one question from all of you. When you feel sleepy, where do you sleep? Which spot is the most comfortable? Tell to your teacher. Here some option has given like floor, sofa, bed, car. I feel comfortable on the bed when I sleep. Where you feel comfortable? Tell to your teacher. So this is our poem, How They Sleep. We will do reading of this poem. Okay, so let's start. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. Some things go to sleep in such a funny way. In this poem we will discuss about the animals, birds and other many things, how they are sleeping. So they are sleeping in many funny ways. How they are sleeping? Let's see. Next line is, little bird stand on one leg and tuck their heads away. Little birds, small birds, when they are sleeping, how they are sleeping? Little birds stand on one leg. They are standing on one leg. You can see in this picture also. This bird is standing on one leg and tuck their head away. वो अपने सिर को अपने अंदर छुपा लेते हैं, अपना फेस जो है उसको छुपा के थोड़ा बैठते हैं और एक टांग पे खड़े होते हैं. नेक्स्ट लाइन इज, chickens do the same. Chickens means baby of hen. Chickens do the same, standing on their perch. Baby of hen also standing on one leg and standing on their perch. Where they are in their home, they are also standing like a bird. Now next one, little mice lie soft. Little mice lie soft and still as if they were in church. Have you seen this mouse, how it is sleeping? This little mouse is sleeping on soft place and it look like they are sitting in the church. चर्च आपको पता है गिरजा घर कहते हैं, जैसे वहाँ पे जाके जो पाठ सुनते हैं तो वो बहुत आराम से बैठते हैं. इसी तरह जो माइस जो होते हैं वो भी अपने घर में अपनी बिल में ऐसे ही बैठते हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज, किटन्स कर्ल अप क्लोज इन सच अ फनी बॉल. यू कैन सी दिस kitten, baby of cat is called kitten. Kittens curl up close such a funny way. They curl their body in such a funny ball. Maybe you have seen at your home the baby of cat, and cats also sleeping like this way. Next one, see, horses hang their sleepy heads and stand still in a stall. How the horses are sleeping? Horses hang their sleepy head. When the horse is sleeping, it hangs its head. वो अपनी गर्दन को नीचे कर लेता है and stand still in a stall. जहाँ पे वो horses को बांधते हैं वह वहीं खड़ा हो जाता है. अपने जो इसका जो हेड होता है उसकी गर्दन नीचे होती है और आराम से एक जगह पर खड़ा रहता है. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ हॉर्स, इट इज स्लीपिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट पेज. Sometimes dogs stretch out or curl up in a heap. Now we will talk about a dog, how the dog is sleeping. Let's see. Sometimes dogs stretch out. वो अपनी बॉडी को स्ट्रेच करता है. Maybe you have seen in your dogs also, and it is stretch its body and curl up in a heap. It is sleeping like this way also. फर्स्ट डॉग्स जो होते हैं अपनी बॉडी को स्ट्रेच करते हैं सोते टाइम, और अपनी कभी कभी अपनी बॉडी को इकट्ठा करके एक ढेर की हीप, क्या होता है, पाइल, ये हीप है, यहाँ पे ये सो रहा है, अपनी बॉडी को हीप की तरह इकट्ठा करके बैठा हुआ है, सोया हुआ है. सो समटाइम्स डॉग स्ट्रेच आउट और कर्ल अप इन अ हीप. नेक्स्ट लाइन इज cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep. How the cow is sleeping? See here, this is the picture of cow. This is a cow. How the cow is sleeping? Cows lie down upon their sides when they would go to sleep. You can see it lie down its head and it is sleeping. So come back to last line. Now here last line, but little babies deer are snugly tucked in beds, warm with blankets, also soft and pillows for their heads. Now here see baby, how the baby is sleeping. See, the little babies deer are snugly, वो आराम से सोते हैं, tucked in their beds, वो अपने बेड पे सोते हैं. ओके, देन warm with blankets, वो अपने अपने ऊपर जो अपनी बॉडी को कवर करते हैं, तो ब्लैंकेट लेते हैं अपनी बॉडी को गर्म करने के लिए. ऑल्सो सॉफ्ट, वो पिल्लो भी होता है, पिल्लो जो होता है सॉफ्ट होता है, ब्लैंकेट भी सॉफ्ट होता है. ऑल सो सॉफ्ट एंड पिल्लोज फॉर देयर हेड्स, वो अपने हेड के नीचे कैसे सोते हैं, पिल्लो रख के सोते हैं, और उनकी बॉडी के ऊपर क्या होता है, ब्लैंकेट होता है. देयर स्लीपिंग ऑन देयर बेड, आराम से, जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं हम भी अपने बेड पे आराम से सोते हैं, पिल्लो लेकर सोते हैं, ब्लैंकेट ऊपर बॉडी को कवर करके सोते हैं. सो दिस इज द पोइम अबाउट how the animals sleep, how the birds sleep. We read about many things, how they are sleeping in a funny way. So this is very interesting poem. Read this and give answer of the questions, and never forget to like and subscribe our channel Akal Academy Sangha. Thank you. Have a good day.